In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print invitations from Canva. First, open your design in Canva. Go to the Canva homepage and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the invitation design you want to print. This might be under your recent designs or saved projects. Click on the design to open it in the Canva editor. Make sure everything looks exactly how you want it to print. Check the text, colors, and images, and zoom in a bit to see if anything looks blurry or out of place. If you need to fix spelling or move elements, do that now so you do not waste paper later. Now that your design is open and ready, go to the download options. In the top right corner of the Canva editor, click on the button labeled Share. A menu will drop down with different options. From this menu, select Download. This is where you choose how you want to save your design to your computer so you can print it. Next, you need to select the best format for printing. In the file type drop-down, choose PDF print. This is very important. PDF print gives you the highest quality for printing invitations. It keeps the text sharp and the images clear, and it is the format most printers and print shops are happy with. Avoid formats like JPG or PNG for serious printing because they can look less sharp, especially on text and small details. From here, you can add crop marks and bleed, which is optional but recommended for professional printing. In the download settings, look for the option that says crop marks and bleed and check that box. Bleed adds a little extra space around the edges of your design, and crop marks show where the paper should be cut. This is especially useful if your invitation has color or images that go right to the edge. It helps avoid thin white lines when the invitations are trimmed. If you plan to cut the invitations yourself with a paper cutter, crop marks and bleed will give you guides to cut along. If you are using a print shop, they will also use these marks to trim accurately. Once your settings look good, it is time to download the file. Click the download button. Canva will process your design and then either start downloading the PDF to your computer or prompt you to confirm payment if you use any premium elements. If your design includes paid photos, graphics, or fonts, Canva may ask you to pay before you can download the high-quality PDF. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment if needed. After that, the PDF file will save to your computer, usually in your downloads folder, unless you choose a different location. Now you are ready to print the PDF. Open the PDF file on your computer using a PDF viewer like Adobe Acrobat or your default viewer. From there, click on Print. If you're printing at home, check a few settings. Make sure the paper size in the print settings matches the paper you will use for your invitations. Choose a higher print quality if your printer has that option. If your design goes to the edge, look for a setting like actual size or 100% so it does not shrink. If your printer cannot print to the edge, you will likely cut along the crop marks, so leaving it at actual size is usually best. Print one test copy first to check colors, alignment, and margins before printing a full batch. If you do not want to print at home, you can take the PDF file to a local print shop or upload it to an online printing service. Save the PDF on a USB drive or upload it directly from your computer. Tell the print shop the size, paper type, and how many invitations you need. They will use your PDF print file with crop marks and bleed to produce professional-looking invitations. For double-sided printing, you need to handle the front and back carefully. In Canva, make sure your invitation has both sides created as separate pages in the same design, or save each side as its own design. When you go to download, either download each side as a separate PDF or download a single PDF with multiple pages, where page 1 is the front and page 2 is the back. When printing at home, first print the front page on one side of the paper. Then place the same sheet back into the printer, depending on how your printer feeds paper, and print the second page on the other side. Do a test run with regular paper first to check that the front and back line up and are not upside down. If you're using a print shop, let them know it is a double-sided invitation, and they will handle the front and back pages correctly from your multi-page PDF. Follow these steps and you will have clean, sharp, and professional invitations printed from Canva, ready to send out.